English around the world. Ireland, the Emerald's Isle. No land is more enchanting than Ireland. Ireland is an island to the northwest of Europe. It is also known as the Emerald Isle or the Green Island. Let's see why. Ireland is known by its green fields, but there are large areas of rocky landscape. About 15,000 years ago, Ireland was completely covered by glaciers. The movement of these giant glaciers left huge areas of flat limestone pavement. You can also find ancient lakes left by the glaciers. Ireland's highlands rise to the southwest, often ending at big cliffs. Ireland's cliffs are impressive. The island has lush vegetation, product of its mild and rainy climate. Temperatures will rarely go below 0 degrees centigrade and only occasionally above 20 degrees centigrade. The Irish love nature and rural life. Two-fifths of Irish people live in rural areas. Low levels of development and pollution have left most of the open spaces relatively undisturbed. Did you know that there are no wild snakes in Ireland? The sea has stopped many animals common in mainland Europe. There are only 2 wild mouse species, 1 kind of lizard and only 3 kinds of amphibians. There are 26 land mammal species considered native to Ireland. Aquatic wildlife such as species of sea turtle, shark, seal, whale and dolphin are common off the coast. There are about 400 species of birds. Most of Ireland's bird species come from Iceland, Greenland and Africa. They are migratory. Ireland has 6 protected natural parks and hundreds of national areas. Thanks to everyone who shared their pictures and videos.